Okay, still working on elimination today. Again, 2 variables, 2 equations in a system, and our goal is to figure out what x value and y value will work in both equations. So if we start with this example, we want to start by lining up the x's and the y's, equal signs and constants. So in this particular example, that would require us to add 7x to both sides in the second equation. So you want to write in alphabetical order. 7x plus 5y equals -6. I'm just going to rewrite this equation here. 3x minus 4y equals 22. I can choose to get rid of my x's or the y's. The least common multiple of 7 and 3 is 21. They both divide into 21. Least common multiple of 5 and 4 is 20. They both divide into 20. I'm going to choose to get rid of my y's because they have different signs already. So that would be the easier thing. I need to get a 20 here, so I'll multiply everything by 4. Here, everything by 5. When I do that, I get 28x plus 20y equals -24. And this is 15x minus 20y equals, I think that's 110. All right, now I'm just going to add these two equations together. This would be 43x. These drop out. That was the whole goal. And this would be 86. And if you're going to solve that, you're just dividing both of these by 43. So x is going to equal 2. To find y, you just go up into one of these equations. It doesn't matter which one you pick. I'm going to pick this one. And I'm finding y, so it's 5y equals -7 times 2 minus 6. So that's 5y equals -14 minus 6. And then we get the answer of -4. Systems are awesome because you can always tell if you're right or not by plugging in your answer. 3 times 2 is 6, minus 4 times -4, which is +16. 6 plus 16 is 22. 5 times -4 is -20. This side would become 7 times 2, which is -14, minus 6, which is -20. So I know I'm right.